Children, today we are going to solve the problems in simple linear equation. So you know what is a linear equation? An equation is said to be a linear equation if it contains only one variable with highest power 1. I'll explain once again. An equation is said to be a linear equation if it contains only one variable with highest power 1. Now look at this question. X plus 6 is equal to 2. So what is a linear equation? An equation is said to be a linear equation if it contains only one variable and its highest power is 1. Here it contains the variable x. The power of this x is 1. Highest power is 1. So this is a linear equation. Same way, look at the next question. Here x minus 6 is equal to 2. Here it contains only one variable and the highest power of that variable is 1. So now you understand what is a linear equation. Now we can think how to solve this question. So before that you must know this one. If the question contains plus sign, when you transpose that plus sign, positive term to the right side, it becomes negative term. Now, if the question contains negative term on the left side, when you transpose it to the right side, it becomes positive term. Then, look at the third question. It is a multiplication question. So, if a question contains multiplication sign, when you transpose it to the other side, you must do division. Now, if the question is a division, when you transpose it to the other side, it becomes multiplication. So keep these 4 points in your mind. Positive sign, when you transpose it becomes negative. Negative sign, you transpose it, it becomes positive. Multiplication, when you transpose it becomes division. Division, when you transpose it becomes multiplication. So today we are going to discuss how to solve all these questions. So x plus 6 is equal to 2 is our first question. So which variable you want to find out? X. So that variable x you have to write on the left side. Then after equal to sign, what number is written? 2. So rewrite that 2. Then what is that number written on the left side? It is positive 6. Positive 6 you have to take to right side with minus sign. So plus 6, when it comes to the right side, it becomes minus sign. Then you know integer subtraction. So 2 minus 6. Here you can take the value of the sign of 2 as positive. Positive 2 and sign of this 6 as negative. So both the numbers are having different sign. If different sign come, you have to do subtraction. So 6 minus 2. What is 6 minus 2? Is equal to 4. Then which is more? 6 is greater than 2. What is the sign of 6? It is negative sign. So you can write that 4, then assign negative sign to that answer. Okay, 2 minus 6 is equal to minus 4. Then look at the next question. X minus 6 is equal to 2. So you want to find out the value of x. X is equal to, what is written on the right side? 2. That number you have to write first. Then what is written on the left side? That number is negative 6. So when you transpose it to the other side, it becomes positive 6. That is explained in the beginning of the class. Negative terms come, when you transpose it becomes positive. So 2 plus 6, that is normal way of addition. 2 plus 6 is 8. So the value of x is equal to 8. Now look at this question. 6x is equal to 8. You know that the symbol in between 6 and 8 is multiplication. So 6 into x is equal to 18. So if division comes, when you transpose it to the other side, it becomes division. So x is equal to 18. What number you want to divide it by 18? Divided by 6. Okay, 18 divided by 6, answer is 3. 6 goes 3 times and 18. So the value of x is 3. Now x divided by 2 is equal to 5. Instead of the symbol, here the line is used to show that it is division. Okay. So you want to find out the value of x. That x you have to write at the left hand side is equal to. What is the number written after equal to sign? It is 5. So in your notebook also you have to write the number which is written after equal to sign. 5. Then take this number and multiply.